Hey everyone! Today, we're going to walk through how to create a transaction history screen using the Ionic Design Kit. This tool makes the whole process faster by giving you pre-made components that are ready to drop into your design. Let's dive in. On the left-hand side of your screen, we explore coding with official Ionic documentation snippets. In the center of your screen, we highlight our thoughtfully designed layout created using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, a phone emulator displays the real-time outcomes of our coding. Feel free to pause the video anytime to catch all the details. Transaction history is one of those must-have features in any finance, banking, or e-commerce app. It shows users a clear, simple list of their past payments, dates, amounts, payees, and statuses. With the Ionic Design Kit, you can easily build a screen that's clean and easy to scan. Just grab a ready-made list component, drag it into your layout, and start customizing. Add transaction icons, adjust the text styling for names and dates. If you want to go a step further, you can include filters or a search bar to make it easier for users to find specific entries. And the best part? Because the kit is built on top of the Ionic framework, everything matches what developers will use in the actual app. So once your design is done, devs can just plug in the live data without having to rebuild anything from scratch. It makes collaboration smoother and saves a lot of time. For code snippets and instructions, head over to our website. Want to level up your Ionic workflow? The Ionic Design Kit makes it easier to create clean, intuitive interfaces and speeds up development from design to code. That's it for this one. Quick, simple, and actually useful. See you next time.